Hello YouTube, just kind of showing you what I'm working on right now, which is Richard and Kyle Petty from 1992. As close to the Atlanta race, the Hooters 500 as I could get it. I didn't see a lot on Kyle's, so I did what I could. But Richard's is pretty accurate from the Salvino's JR kit. So that's what I'm working on right now. Hopefully I'll get it finished tomorrow. And when I do, I'm going to start on this, which is Richard Petty's 1983 Pontiac. I'm actually building it for a friend for Christmas. So I gotta get cracking on it. But this is my project. I'm going to start building it on camera, and hopefully he'll have a video to go with the model I give him. And I'm thinking he's pretty excited about it. So stay tuned. Much more videos to come. Thanks.